Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to another session. Welcome to my channel, English Unleashed Journey. My name is Sabir. I am truly happy to have you here today. You are taking a step toward your dreams. Before we dive into today's lesson, I have a small request. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It helps me create more content for you. Now, let's start with a moment of peace. Take a deep, slow breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Relax your shoulders. Calm your mind. You are doing something wonderful for yourself right now. You are investing in your future. In today's episode, we are going to practice English together. We will do this for just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. Only 5 focused minutes. This is not a long, boring lecture. It is not an hour-long grammar class. This is a short and powerful practice session. It is perfect for your busy life. You don't need a notebook right now. You don't need to be in a classroom. All you need is your voice and 5 minutes of focus. The concept of snack learning. I like to call this snack learning. Think about a healthy snack. It is small, but it gives you energy. These 5 minutes are like healthy snacks for your brain. They are small pieces of practice. But when you put them together, they are very powerful. The best part is, you can do this anytime. You can do it while making your morning coffee. You can do it while walking in the park. You can even do it quietly before you go to sleep. It fits perfectly into your real daily life. And real life is where your English should live. English is not just for books. It is for communication. Here is your simple job for today. Listen closely to my voice. Repeat the sentences after me. Speak out loud with confidence. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are just steps on the ladder of success. Don't worry about your accent. Your accent is your identity. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Just listen, just speak. Let the English language flow through you. If you enjoy these short and simple lessons, let me know. Write a comment below. If many of you like this style, I will create more. I want to make learning easy for you. Now, let's talk about today's main topic. It is one of my favorite subjects. It is called the power of small habits. Many people believe that success requires big actions. They think they must study for 4 hours every day. They think they must change everything in one night. But real change does not work that way. Real change is quiet. Real change is slow. It happens in many small moments, repeated every day. Think about a drop of water falling on a rock. One drop does nothing, but thousands of drops over time can break the rock. That is the power of consistency. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush for 5 hours once a month. That would not keep your teeth healthy. Instead, you brush for 2 minutes every single day. That small daily habit is what works. Learning English is exactly the same. It is not about one big weekend of intense study. It is about small daily actions that never stop. There is actual science behind this. When you repeat a small action every day, your brain changes. This is called neuroplasticity. Your brain builds a new road for English. At first, That road is like a tiny path in a forest. It is weak and difficult to walk on. You have to think hard to find the right words. But every time you practice, that path gets wider. It becomes a road. Then it becomes a highway. The more you use it, the faster it becomes. In the beginning, speaking English feels hard. You stop, you think, and you search for words. Your brain feels tired. That is completely normal. It is a sign that your brain is building that road. But with small daily practice, something beautiful happens. Suddenly, your words come faster. Your tongue moves more easily. Your confidence grows. Speaking becomes automatic. Automatic means you speak without thinking too much. Your mouth speaks and your brain stays calm. Small habits are powerful because they are easy to start. They don't need huge amounts of motivation. You don't need to feel inspired to practice for 5 minutes. You can do it even when you are tired. You can do it even when you are busy. And that is when real learning truly begins. The secret to building a habit is to start very small. I mean really small. If you plan to study for 2 hours every day, you might quit. After 1 week, you will feel exhausted. But if you plan for just 5 minutes, you will do it. It is very hard to fail at a 5-minute goal. You can shadow English while you are cooking dinner. You can repeat sentences while you are brushing your hair. You can practice while you are waiting for the bus. These small moments are easy to repeat, and anything that is repeatable will eventually grow. 5 minutes will slowly become 10 minutes. 10 minutes will naturally become 20. This is the true path to fluency. Let me share a story from my experience. I once worked with a student who was very afraid. Let's call him a learner who felt completely stuck. He was extremely shy about his English. Even saying, "Hello, how are you?" made him nervous. He knew the grammar rules. He understood many words. But when it was time to speak, his mind would freeze. He felt like he would never be able to speak fluently. We decided not to chase big goals. We didn't look at thick textbooks. We didn't try to study for hours. Instead, we started with one tiny habit. I told him, every morning speak to yourself for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes while he was making his bed. At the beginning, his sentences were very simple. He said, "Today is Monday." He said, "I am wearing a blue shirt." He said, "The weather is nice." That was it, just simple facts. But something amazing happened. After a few weeks, he wasn't afraid of those 2 minutes anymore. His sentences naturally became longer. After 2 months, he could describe his whole day. After 6 months, he joined an English-speaking club. Today, he speaks with great confidence. Those 2 minutes changed his entire life. It wasn't because 2 minutes is a magic number. It was because those 2 minutes were easy to repeat. They transformed his confidence. And remember, confidence always comes before fluency. So, how can you start today? Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is right now. Pick a time in your day that is already a habit. Maybe it's when you drink your tea. Maybe it's when you are driving to work. Use that time to listen to English. Use that time to repeat what you hear. This 5-minute practice can be your new habit. Don't look for immediate results. Don't check your progress every single hour. Just trust the process. You might not feel the change in one day. You might not notice it in 1 week. But I promise you, in a few weeks, you will surprise yourself. Before we finish today, let's recap. What have we learned together? First, you don't need long hours to improve your English. Second, small daily habits are more powerful than big efforts. Third, 5 minutes of speaking trains your brain every day. Fourth, repetition is the key to building confidence. And finally, confidence makes English feel natural, not scary. This is how real growth happens. It is quiet, it is slow, but it is consistent. Consistency is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. If you want more guided practice like this, stay connected. Join our community of learners. We are all in this together. Learning alone can be hard, but learning together is much easier. We support each other. We grow together. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Thank you for practicing your English today. Remember, every minute you spend speaking is a victory. This is Sabir from English Unleashed Journey. Keep shadowing, keep learning, keep moving forward, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. You have the power to master this language. I will see you in the next video very soon. Until then, take care of yourself. Keep practicing every single day. Goodbye for now.